Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia XZ2 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the top left corner and tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Set up an hour and save it by tapping on OK. Then you need to choose repeat and tap on days of the week. I want to set up only Tuesdays and maybe Wednesdays, so I will click on only those two. And over here you can label your alarm however you wish to, like work. Then save it by tapping on OK. Over here, click on More Settings at the bottom right corner of this pop-up and adjust all of those options, like alarm type. Click on it, pick one of those options, sound and vibration, sounds only and or vibration only by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with sound and vibration over here, so now I can click on the switcher next to volume or increase to enable or disable those features. This feature, and tap on alarm sound. Now pick one of those and select OK, or scroll all the way down, just add alarm, pick music from your device and save it by tapping on OK. Over here you can also select snooze duration and pick how many minutes it will take. Tap on auto silent time and pick one of those options, and finally click on side key behavior and select one of those features, non-snooze or dismiss. I will go with snooze, so I will click on it, and finally I can save my alarm by tapping on the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by clicking on this icon next to it and turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!